Okay, yeah, enough, yeah. We see continue again about other topic. Yeah. This is about diet. Yeah. Dioda. With diet. The semiconductor diet. Yeah. This is semiconductor. Not conductor, not insulator, but semiconductor between conductor and insulator. Yeah. The semiconductor diet is another example of non-ohmic. Yeah. Conductor that any component that flows electric current only one direction. Jadi dia bisa mengalirkan arus tapi dalam satu direction ya, only one direction. That flow electric current in one direction. Nowadays, most diet are made semiconductor material, one type of light emitting diode or LED. Nah, kalau kalian lihat apa namanya lampu-lampu LED itu adalah semacam itu adalah bentuk diode ya, dioda. Dia adalah semiconductor dan non ohmic also ya, non ohmic. Bapak lihat grafiknya aja, ini grafiknya seperti ini guys ya, dia zero dulu and then baru dia naik voltage-nya seiring pertambahan current ya. Voltage cenderung pada kondisi stagnan ya, kondisi constant ya. Nah ini contohnya ya. Coba Bapak langsung aja ke soal ini. Kayaknya tinggal aplikasi Grab aja ini sebenarnya. Ya. Oke. This question 5. The graph in figure 11.10 was obtained by measuring resistance R of a particular thermistor as its temperature theta changed. Determine its resistance at kayaknya we need to zoom it ya, kayaknya kurang gede. Nah, mungkin kelihatan kayak gini. At 20 degree Celsius, 20 degree Celsius is on this tengah-tengah. Oh, bukan. This about R is 20. Ini 1, 2, 3, 4 3.2 3.1 ya, disebut 3.1 kilo ohm yeah, because this is in kilo ohm ya, kilo ohm yeah. This is theta in degree Celsius yeah. Then R on the 45 is in here 1, 2, 3. Oh ini mungkin ini 1,4 1.4 ya, 1.4 kilo ohm. Then determine the temperature when resistance is 5,000 ohm. Yeah, 5,000 ohm means yeah 5 kilo ohms yeah, in here. 5 kilo ohms is kayaknya a half of 10 ya, 5. This is on theta is 5 degree Celsius, and when the 2000 theta is 2000, it's here ya, di sini 34 34 degree Celsius. Okay, this is about NTC, ya, negative temperature coefficient. Why? Because when the temperature is decreased, yeah, the resistance is increased. Yeah. When the temperature increase, yeah, the resistance is decreased. Yeah. That's it. Ini pemahaman ke NTC, ya, pemahaman tentang negative temperature coefficient. Ya. Negative it means like direction of change, ya. It means like kayak perubahannya, perbedaannya negatif. Kalau ini besar, ini jadi kecil. Kalau ini kecil, ini jadi besar. Nah, gitu. Yang ini nggak usah lah ya, kita lewat saja. Ya. Coba kita cek berikutnya. Ya. Oh, ini tentang partikel. Oh, particle behavior, ya, about electric current. Kalau kalian ingat, ya, if you still remember about electric current, it means like column slope, ya. Kalau ini ada negatif, maka akan dia track with positif, track, akhirnya dia akan Bapak mau ke resistivity. Nah, ini inti kita adalah sebenarnya di resistivity and NTC tadi, ya. Resistivity actually when you still remember or when you are in grade 9, yeah, we have one formula. The formula is this one. R equals to rho L over A, yeah. That R is resistance, ya. Rho is resistivity, ya. Rho is resistivity, and then A is cross sectional area, ya. Cross sectional area, and then L is length, ya. Let's say misalkan kalau Bapak gambar seperti ini, ya. Ini adalah wire, ya. When we have wire, and the wire we have length L, yeah, and cross sectional area is A here, yeah, and they have resistivity rho. So R equals to rho L over A. Yeah, this is the formula. I think when we are on the grade 9, ya, ini pernah kita ini. Nah, sekarang dibahas lagi, karena ini akan kita combine with R equals to V over I. Ya, di-combine. Ya. Then, this is resistivity some materials, ya. They have constant number actually. Resistivity of silver is 1.6 times to the power minus 8, ya, and then copper is 1.69 times to the power minus 8, dan seterusnya. Yeah. Okay, let me check about question. Yeah, question 8, 9, 10, and 11. Let's try it. Yeah. Question 9. Use resistive liquid in table 11.2, yang di atas tadi, ya, to calculate length of 0.50 mm diameter manganin wire, ya, needed to make resistant core with resistance of, ini cari we need to find about length, ya, lengthnya berapa when diameter, ya, of this is millimeter, ya. Maybe we need to find about cross sectional area first, ya. Cross sectional area is VR square, or V is 3.14, yeah, and then R is D divided by 2, yeah, square. So coba kita cari 3.14 times D is 0.50, yeah, but we need to change into meter, yeah, times 10 to the power minus 3, yeah, divided 2, yeah, square. Coba kita dapat berapa I-nya, E-nya, ya. I need calculator first. Wait. Zero point two times square dikali 0.19. These are 1.96 10 power minus 7 meter square. I get about A, or cross-sectional area, is 1.96 times to the power minus 7, yeah, by calculating this number. So from this, yeah, for the number 8, yeah, we have several questions A to C, yeah. We need to find about length, yeah, because length is this is something with oh, oh, oh. Sebentar, kita kan punya formula ya, R itu adalah rho L over A. So L means R times A divided rho. Yeah. So and A is R, we have 1.0 times, yeah, 1.69, aduh kok putus-putus ya, 10 to the power minus 7 divided, nah, this is about manganin wire. We check about manganin wire on this table. Manganin, oh which one ya? Oh this one, 44 10 min 8. Here 44.0 times 10 to the power minus 8. Let's see. Ini sebenarnya sama aja 1,96 dibagi 4,4. 0.446, ini 0.446 dan seterusnya dan seterusnya. In meter, yeah, let's say something with 44.6 in centimeter. Kalau kita ubah dalam sentimeter kayaknya lebih enak dilihat ya, 44,6 cm. Okay, this is about A, yeah. Let's check about B. B kayaknya sama saja ya. L kita tulis aja, L itu R-nya adalah 5.0 ya, times 1.96 times 10 power minus 7 divided by manganin is 44.0 minus 8. Kayaknya kalian bisa lihat aja. Ini kan kalau Bapak tandai ya, Ini kan one times ya, satu kali. Ini 5 kali. Karena nilai ininya sama nih guys. 1.96 for 4.0 kan same thing ya. So we like this is like multiplication with 5 ya. Kita kalikan aja dengan 5 ini. Jadi kalau Bapak langsung saja in centimeter ya 44.6 ya times 5 or 0.446 times 5. Ini adalah sekitar 2.2 meter. 2.2 meter. Kita kali saja, itu kan sama aja 5 kalinya ya, dari yang pertama. Nah, yang ini adalah C, berarti 10 kalinya dari yang pertama ya. 10 kali berarti ya ini 44,6 meter. Langsung saja deh, ini 44,6 meter ya. Oke, that's it. Oke, seperti itu. Kemudian Bapak akan langsung lagi supaya kelihatan di mana ya? Di sini aja deh ya. Ini number 9 di sini aja. Nah, biar kelihatan. 1.0 cm cubic of copper is drawn out into from a long wire cross sectional 4.0 times 10 power minus 7 meter square. Calculate its resistance. Use resistive value for copper from table 11.2. Okay. Rho for copper is I check first ya. This is copper. Copper is kok hilang? Oh, this. Copper is 169 minus 8. 169 times 10 power minus 8 in ohm meter ya. The unit is ohm meter. Okay, so from this we will find about R ya. R is rho L over A. But we have volume and area. Wait, cover. Volume is A times L. Yeah. So when we need L over A, we have A. This is actually V divided A divided A. Yeah. So same thing with V divided A square. That's it. So I change this, yeah, rho equals to volume divided cross-sectional area square. So 1.69 yeah, times 10 to the power minus 8. Volume is 1 centimeter actually. Oh, we need to change again. This is into meter. Same thing with times 10 to the power centimeter into meter is 2 level ya. So this is same thing with minus 6 meter square. Agak berat ini. Nah, ini guys ya. Then volume ya, volume is 10 power minus 6 ya, divided A square 4 times 10 power minus 7 and then square. Jadi jawabannya adalah, sebentar Bapak kalkulator. 1,69 kita bagi aja dengan 16. 0,14. Oh, ini udah hilang nih. Udah dapat. Ini nilainya adalah 0.10 5 or sorry, ini kita ini kan ini adalah 11 ya, 11 ohms. Oke, that's it ya. Karena ini habis ya guys. Ini kan -8 minus 6 equals to -14. And then -7 times 2 equals to 14 also. -14 divided -14 equals to 1. Yeah, so same thing. They don't have any 10 powers ya. Dia tidak punya pangkat 10 ya. So same thing this is 1.69 divided 4 square. That's it. I hope you understand ya. Kalau nggak ngerti tanya ya. Ini adalah volume ya. And then this is area. Aduh, ya. Oke, silakan kalau mau ditulis ya, silakan. Bapak tunggu kurang lebih 5 menit atau 6 menit lah, mungkin karena banyak ya. Silakan.